In today's video, I'm going to show you our newest structural pipe connector and how you can use it to solve unique challenges in your projects. Let's get into it. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake and if this is your first time here, we share weekly videos with build inspiration, tips and tricks, hacks, and creative uses of ordinary materials, all so you can finish your DIY projects. If you like seeing videos like that, then definitely consider subscribing. We appreciate it. Our standard lineup of connectors are made from American steel in our shop in upstate South Carolina. We designed them to work with 3/4 inch EMT conduit, which is a readily available pipe that you can find in the electrical aisle of your local hardware store. When you combine EMT conduit and our connector system, you can create anything from desks and shelving solutions all the way to gold mining and gardening equipment. Every project is unique, and we're always looking for new connectors and solutions that we can make so you can build your project easier no matter what it is. I'm happy to announce our newest standard connector, which is the 135-degree angle connector. Up until now, you would have needed to bend conduit to achieve such a precise angle in your project, but now you can do it a lot easier. Just like the other standard connectors, you can get it in either a corrosion-resistant black E-coating or a silver zinc coating that matches conduit really well. There are two parts that make up the 135-degree connector. You have the inside piece here and this other piece that we call the outside. Both pieces have the built-in pocket feature that holds the nut in place while you're tightening the bolt, which means you only need a single 5mm Allen wrench to assemble the connectors. The 135-degree connector is designed to hold 3 total pipes. You have one here in the center that runs continuously through the connector. This pipe is necessary and provides structural support to the 2 outside pipes that make up the 135-degree angle. If you don't need a pipe that runs continuously through the center of the connector, you can use a 1/2 inch galvanized pipe coupling to give the 2 outside pipes the support that they need. For the easiest assembly of this connector, you'll want to add the center support pipe first and then loosely tighten the included nut and bolt. Then you can add a pipe on each side and take turns tightening the hardware until all 3 pipes are secured in place. The 2 outer pieces of conduit terminate inside of the connector and create the 135-degree angle. This new connector opens up some exciting new possibilities. I have some of our 3D printed connectors here to model out and show you some examples of how the 135-degree connectors can be used in projects. You can easily create an octagon structure with the 135-degree connectors, whether you're trying to make a building or an MMA ring or... I'm just kidding. Please don't do that. Because all of the pipes are the exact same length between the connectors, all you have to do is figure out your measurement once and then cut 16 pipes and you're able to create a really cool and unique shape building like this. You can also use it in other creative ways throughout a build. We recently had somebody from the community share a photo of a water tank that they wanted to repurpose and add a roof to. I think you could use 135-degree connectors to make an octagon roof that looks really cool and is pretty easy to make. When you combine the 135 connector with other MakerPipe connectors, you can make various other styles of roofs as well. For example, you could use the 135-degree connectors on the side like so, and they could lead a pipe up to a 90-degree connector peak, which will create a really steep pitched roof. This will be really handy if you live in an area that gets a lot of heavy snow or bad weather constantly. Maybe you don't need or want that aggressive of an angle for your pitched roof. You can use the 135-degree connectors as the peak and then run those pipes down and connect them to T's, 45s, or adjustable angle connectors. As long as the pieces of conduit that are coming out of the connector are the exact same measurement, you won't have to worry about the angle not lining up. Of course, these are just a few examples of how you can use the new connectors. As always, I'm sure we're going to be blown away by the creative projects that you all share in the community. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.